loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I'm going to be giving you guys some of my classic red lipsticks that I absolutely love. They're like my favorites, and I wanted to share it with you guys because now that fall and winter are here, everyone loves a good classic red lip, and I'm one of them. I absolutely love red lips. I think it's just so beautiful. Absolutely love it. So I wanted to share with you guys some of my favorite red lipsticks, and some are affordable. I think one of them is a little bit pricey, but the rest of them are very affordable. They're from the drugstore, so I definitely recommend them. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So I'm gonna first start off with the most priciest red lipstick that I have. It's a liquid lipstick, and it's the one from Fenty. This is a Fenty Beauty, and this is in the shade Uncensored. Absolutely love this red lipstick. It's just so gorgeous. It lasts a very long time, but I do recommend that you do use a lip liner with it, and that is because it does tend to drip. So if you guys are gonna be out eating, all that stuff, I definitely recommend lining your lips first and then going in with this, just because it does leak, it does drip. That's the only negative I have to say about it, but it's very good, very comfortable. I love the formula of Fenty. It's just so good, so I absolutely love it. So what I recommend to line the lips, I have one right here, and it's from MAC. I mean, you don't have to use MAC. You could use NYX, you could use any drugstore lip liner, and I think it will work just as good as this one. But this is the one that I have, and this one is in the shade, I think, High Energy. Very beautiful red lip liner. Looking for a good one, this one is really good, but like I said, you could definitely change it up and use a drugstore. I love drugstore. The only reason why I think I got this one, it was on sale, so I picked it up, and I love it to line my lips and then go in with the classic red lip or whatever lippy I'm gonna use. I go in with this first and then go in with the lippy, and it lasts me a very long time, which I love. I love it to last me a long time. So I definitely recommend those two to go together, or get a drugstore lip liner. That will work just as good as the MAC one. Okay, so next we're gonna jump into some of the affordable red lippies that I have. Now these to me are very affordable, so I definitely recommend them if you're looking for a good red lip. First one is this one from Milani, and this is their bold matte lipstick, and this is in the shade I am Fierce, and it's just beautiful classic red lipstick. It's very beautiful. It's very creamy, which I love. Once again, go in with a lip liner, go in with this, and it will last you for a while. I don't know how good it will last you while you're eating, because you know, red lipstick does tend to fade throughout the day, especially if you're eating stuff. So I don't know how good that will be, because every time I use this, I will use it to go out to the parks, like just to go out to the park. So I would hardly be eating. I'll probably be drinking something throughout the day, but I would not be eating at the same time. So, but this lasts me a very long time. So I absolutely love it. It's very affordable, and you can find it anywhere. Walmart, Target. I think Target sells Milani. But any drugstore you can find this, and it's very good. The next one I'm going to talk about is the one from NYX, and this is the NYX Liquid Suede Lip Cream, and this one is in the shade, let's see, oh my god, I can't see, Kitten Heels. Such a wonderful formula. Absolutely recommended if you guys are looking for a liquid lipstick from the drugstore. This one is very good. It's very creamy, very comfortable on the lips, so I definitely recommend it. And you can find this, like I said, in any drugstore, so you cannot go wrong with this good lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick. It's very good. And then the last one that I have is this one from Morphe. I know Morphe is not considered drugstore, but it's very affordable, and this one was affordable. And this one is in the shade Hot, what is it? Hot Shot, and this is the one that I have on my lips right now, guys. This is so comfortable. When I say comfortable, like, it's a very comfortable. Yes, it dries really fast, so you have to just put one layer on, because I feel like if you put more than one layer of this lipstick, it's gonna crumble. So I definitely recommend one layer, one swipe, and you're good. Like, I'm telling you, this will last me all day. My lips will be this pigmented all day. If I do have to touch up, it's because I've been drinking my water all day, something like that, and that will be like in the inner part. But other than that, this lipstick lasts me all day, and I love the formula. So comfortable, and I love it. I do not like liquid lipsticks that are like super drying on the lips and make them look very like crusty looking. Like, I do not like that. That is just not my thing. I definitely love formulas that are very comfortable, very easy, and they're not super drying on the lips. So I definitely recommend this one from Morphe. It's very good. Like I said, it's the one that I have on my lips right now, and I'm loving it. I've been loving it for the last few weeks of the fall weather because I love to wear these bright colors, these red, the dark burgundy. Like, those are just my colors. I absolutely love it. But yeah, that is it for my recommendations and the lipsticks that I love. At least the red lipsticks, absolutely love them, especially for now, for the fall. But those are my favorites. Let me know what are your favorites, because I would love to try out like new brands, other brands that have red lipsticks. I would love to try them out, so definitely leave them down below so I can check them out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, my loves. Mwah.